half full Monty here again, and I showed you my reworked broken handle, broke it on Sunday, replaced it with a Whisky River handle here. This is one of their upper grade ones, but I just love their handles and the way they treat you, and their shipping is quick and all that, and they have specials. I got this one here just in case that they had on sale, and I think geez, it was like $8 or something. But this is a hickory handle, and let's see here, Made in America. It's Council Tools. Anyway, it's a say it's a 22 straight hickory, and this is a replacement handle for a Council Tools Flying Fox. Okay, and it's a little bit short to be big axe size for WATL, so I'm sure for the Federation axe throwing, it's also too short. But here's also the deal. This is the broken part of the axe, the World Axe Throwing League Lieutenant, and anyway, that's what came out of this. And this right here, the end is like a perfect fit. It's a perfect fit. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, these were pressed in, and they have a World Axe Throwing League. I'm sure they press them in, and they use 2 barrel wedges and a regular wedge. Looks like down to about right there. And they use some kind of epoxy, a little bit of epoxy on it. But anyway, so FYI, you can get Council Tool hickory handles, and look at the grain run out on this thing. You know, and they'll fit right in it, and then you can cut it, and it's a I'd say oval shape. So if you're doing that Canadian flick, throwing single rotations, it's wide and it's the right shape really for that. You can do that. Hang on, let me weigh it and measure it. All right, weights and measurements. Weight. .4 ounces. And of course that's 20, well, we'll see how long though. 12.4 ounces, and that's including the stickers, the tape, and they sent a wedge with it, and a little metal wedge, so that includes that. And the length, they say, is 22, but it's measuring out to me at 21 and a half. And like I said, it's an exact match to this Lieutenant. Let's see, on the Lieutenant, I guess the top part where the axe goes in, it looks like it's right at 3 inches. And this one here is, if you're gonna put it down on the shoulders, it's gonna be about 3 1/4. So you could put your axe on there, mount it proud, and be down here on your shoulders where it won't slip up on you. And so yeah, so if you were going to make a 17-inch handle out of it, yeah, that's what, 4.5 inches you could cut off of that. So that would bring down the weight substantially on this handle. So it feels really pretty good. So heads up on that. That's a good deal. Have your handle weight, and especially on those old WATL hatchets that you're using in duels. But anyway, I'm waiting on my next broken one. So that's it for now.